I'm gonna show you a foolproof way to make your first $1,000 from Instagram. This will show you just how much potential Instagram has for making money and why you need to start posting today if you want to make money, scale your business, and build authority in any niche. Let's get into it. So after growing 350,000 followers and making multiple six figures, I can tell you that you need only two things to make money: offer and traffic. You can create a good offer with this template. I help target audience achieve result in time frame without struggle or sacrifice with my offer. For example, for me, that would be I help entrepreneurs scale their business in next 90 days without any guesswork or creating bad content using Instagram organic marketing inside my community. Remember, don't overpromise, be realistic, and create offer just like this, and you will be good. Great, now we have the offer. Why are people on Instagram? For entertainment or education. And both are free on Instagram. They're not here for your offers. They want free stuff. That's why the easiest way to sell is to create a free offer that solves one specific problem before your main offer. For example, for fitness coaching, it would be a training guide. For finance niche, where you help people invest better, it would be a smart money blueprint where you explain people how to spend and save money smartly. And for example, for my community, for my offer where I help people make money online, it will be this video which shows you how to make your first $1,000, right? Simple PDF, courses, masterclasses, anything can work as long as it brings value. You can use ChatGPT to give you some ideas to even write all of these for you. If you don't know where to start, but still want to scale your business properly without wasting hours, I can personally help you inside my community. And if you join, you get a free call with me where I'll tell you exactly what to do, custom for you. Check the first link in the description below for more info. Now, when you have the freebie, you need a landing page, and don't overcomplicate it. Make a landing page with a simple headline, a couple of benefits, and ask them a couple of questions before they can access the freebie. I recommend you use StanStore for this. It has the most features and it's very affordable. I'll include the link below so that you can sign up, simply register, create a new product using this button, then choose collect emails or applications, enter the details, and add 4 questions. Those 4 questions need to be very specific: their name, their Instagram username, their email, and how much they make per month. Publish it in your freebie is ready. Now we need the traffic. Step 1 is to register for Manychat. It's free and I'll include the link in the description that you can use to register. You'll need it. If you don't know how to set up Manychat, check the video that will appear somewhere on the screen, or I'll also put the video in the description. It's a video that shows how to set up Manychat with a couple of hacks. I don't want to waste time here doing that because this video is about how you make money. And even if you don't watch the video, Manychat is very easy to set up. The main goal of Manychat is to automate sending messages. Basically, when someone comments or sends you a certain keyword, they will receive a message from you containing a link for your freebie. Now, it's time for fun. In the description, I'll include a list of 20 foolproof content ideas that you can make in less than 10 minutes to go viral and get freebie downloads. The idea is, you'll solve a small problem in your content and invite them to download your lead magnet to solve a bigger problem by commenting a keyword and triggering Manychat automation. The Manychat will send them the link for your freebie. Don't tell them to go to the link in bio. It doesn't work as well. When you tell someone to comment a keyword and get message, there's a couple of benefits for that. First benefit is you're getting engagement in your post, which sends amazing signals to the algorithm. Second important point is it's far easier for them to just comment and get the link than to leave the post, go to your profile, click the link in bio, and so on. And sometimes the link in bio doesn't even work. Worst of all, when you tell them to go to the link in bio, you are telling them to leave your post, do no engagement, and visit the link in bio, which sends bad signals to the algorithm, and you will get lower views. Don't do it. So here's the first example of what I mean when I say make simple reels. This is a reel that got 3.4 million views, has a simple headline, how to start a business in 24 hours. I've listed a couple of tools which explain how to start a business. and a call to action to comment to get my free guide. Very simple. Second example is this. You can compare your free stuff with something that's paid, list out the benefits and everything else, and tell them to comment to get the free stuff. This is also very simple. I'll include more ideas like this in the description below, so you don't need to think too much about it. Just recreate them and you will get views. I'll also include tutorials on how to make them in just 3 steps, so it's very simple. By the way, I deliver these trends on weekly basis inside my community, so if you want to get these viral trends before anyone else, that's yet another reason to join the community from the first link in the description. Remember, always tell them to comment to get the freebie. And now, it's very easy. Post content daily and mention your lead magnet. If a certain post works very well, make variations from it and post again. Don't overcomplicate it. Again, if you find that something works, simply change up the headline, a little bit of the information, make more of the same content, inviting them to comment the keyword. And after they download, message people who have the income to purchase your paid offer. You'll know that because that's one of the questions before they can download the lead magnet. Message them this exact sentence. Hey, insert their name. Thanks for downloading my freebie. I'm looking for 10 target audience who want to achieve a result in time frame without struggle to personally help them achieve a result with my offer. Just input those parts which we made in the offer itself. Would you be interested? Now, your only goal is to post as much good content as possible, get as many downloads, and message as many people as possible. If you need more ideas like this, those simple ideas for the content, use a website called viralityai.net. Just to say, that's my AI, which I developed to find the best content ideas on Instagram, and it's completely free right now, so you can go and test it out. Let's say you sell $500 training plans. You need to sell to only 2 people to make your first $1,000, and trust me, that's nothing. If you post good content, you can get hundreds of qualified people each month. Now, let me ask you a question. Would that impact your business and would that scale it to the moon? Of course it will. The only problem here is this is only one of the ways to use Instagram to get sales. It takes a lot of time because you need to execute manually, and this is perfect for someone who's starting with $0. So if you don't have money right now to invest into coaching, into my community and so on, it's best to use this method to get as much money as possible with this manual method where you trade your time for the money, and later on when you make your first $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, you can come back here and see how you can scale it further. But if you already have some kind of a business and you want to scale it using Instagram, there's many systems that you can use at the same time to make thousands of dollars per month without wasting hours on creating content. As I just showed you, you can make reels that take no longer than 10 minutes to be created. And I've put all of those systems into one system that I call the Instagram Money Printer. You get access to this system exclusively inside my community. In fact, I'm not talking about a course. I'll personally help you set up this system one-on-one and then make sure to perfect it with weekly accountability calls and check-ins, because it's different for every business. It takes a lot of time to perfect it, but once you do, you have a money printing machine with $0 spent on ads. Pure profit. This will make sure you use all of the potential that Instagram has to offer to make tens of thousands of dollars and not just your first $1,000. Unfortunately, we are accepting only 10 people for this month simply because it's a lot of work for me personally, and I want to be 100% sure I can help you scale this thing to the moon. If you want to scale your business to the moon without wasting hours on content offers and systems that don't work, join the community right now using the first link in the description. And if not, this is anyways the easiest way to make your first $1,000 on Instagram. So I hope you learned something new and that you will start executing right after this video. If you don't execute, nothing will happen. But if you actually take the time, 2 to 3 hours just to set up this basic system and start executing it, in the next month, you will already have your $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000. Which seems ridiculous right now, but trust me, I've seen it happen. Drop a like and sub, it will help other people find this content and it will also help support the channel. See you in the next one.